make this masala chai in a very traditional way, and so we need to start off with a cup of water. A cup of water goes inside, and we will turn off the stove to a medium high, and along with half teaspoon of tea leaves, black tea leaves, and let it come to a boil while the tea is brewing. So I have a cup of milk, a full fat milk, and this will be, we need to warm it up for at least 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes in our microwave. Yes, now the tea is boiling, so we can add the spices. 1 small piece of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, and then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and also a small piece of ginger, the peel that I've already peeled earlier, so I'm adding that as well. So let this come to a boil now. I have allowed this to boil about 2 minutes, and now we can add the milk. And so let the milk come to a boil. As we have added the milk, let's reduce the flame to a medium low, and then let it come to a boil. Dear viewers, as you can see, the milk is coming to a boil, so in between please give a mix or stir it in between in interval as well, and because this will help the bottom and also scrape the bottom, because and we do not want the pot to be catched by the milk, so we don't want to burn the milk either. So it's just that stir in between, and then let it boil again. And as the milk is boiling and thickening, so we can add powdered jaggery. I'm using 3 tablespoons, but you can use less or more. And also mix it up, and now let the tea come to a boil. Our chai now is ready, and we can turn off the stove and strain it. Dear viewers, our masala chai is ready. It's pretty simple and basic chai, and so I'm just repeating again. So I hope you will try this with the ingredients in your home, and let me know in your comments. And if you are finding difficulty to buy certain ingredients, do ask me for suggestions. I may recommend to you. So thank you for viewing Friday Friendly Kitchen, and for the masala chai, fresh hot masala chai that goes well with so many fried items like samosas, pakoras, bhaji, and also many other things. And also even it goes with halwa or kesari or any other things for a nice tea time snack. So this is what is my presentation to you. I hope you will try. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.